Alright, about February 1st, about 6 p.m., a great blizzard of 2011 from my lakefront apartment here in Chicago. That would be northbound Lakeshore Drive, which is currently closed north of here because of waves crashing over the road. That's why there's no cars coming in the southbound lane. Interestingly here, there's still ice on the shore, so there's no waves yet, and I'm looking forward to seeing some big waves later tonight. The winds are so strong they already blew out one of the doors in the front of the building. Probably not the best idea to be standing in front of my window, but such is life. Snow is pretty much going horizontally, sometimes even upward, as I'm looking at the other buildings. It's probably the worst I've ever seen.